Hello and welcome to Every Dad DIY. I'm Gavin. Today we're going to be making a nice simple toothbrush stand. We're going to be making it out of a mystery wood, a piece of firewood. I'm not sure what it is, so we'll see how it turns out. So stick with me and let's get started. Okay, so it's going to be a nice simple one today. We're going to be taking little slices off of this fella. We're going to have two of them, one on top of each other, with a piece of dowel in the center, just to give it a space. We'll drill 4 holes into that then, and you just pop your toothbrush down into it, so it shouldn't be too complicated. So that's the next thing you're going to see, is me taking some slices off this, and we'll get going. Okay, so I was originally going to leave the bark on it and just give it a brush off with the wire brush, but haven't started doing that. It just wasn't going to be right, and I didn't really feel that it was going to be very hygienic leaving the bark on it, so I've taken that off, and we're just going to go without the bark, so hopefully it'll turn out okay. Okay, so we're just going to sand it up there now. I'm just going to use the belt sander and just a bit of sandpaper just to take the roughness off it. Then we can see about gluing it. I got halfway through sanding the holes and it just was getting very tedious, so I made up this little thing with the dowel and a piece of sandpaper and just used the drill to drill it instead. Worked out a lot faster. I'm not a fan of sanding, so anything I can do to speed it up is a welcome bonus. Okay, so we're all finished there now. I think it turned out pretty well. It doesn't look too bad, and it's definitely functional, so I'm pretty happy with it. It's not bad for a piece of firewood. Yeah, so thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.